Elaphe just barely released a new video, and they actually have Aptera in it. So I'm just going to play this quick clip that has Aptera, and we'll talk about it.
Elaphe in-wheel motors.
We've chosen Elaphe's in-wheel powertrain because it aids in our aerodynamic and lightweight pursuits. It also allows us more crushable space in the front of the Aptera, which makes us more safe. We believe the future of transportation should be built on efficiency, and Elaphe's powertrain is the most efficient solution available to date.
So is that part, and then at the very end they kind of show different vehicles. That Elaphe can put wheels in and wheel motors in, and here's Aptera again, just a different view. We've never really seen electronics inside the car like this, so it's kind of interesting to look at. So we know that from last year, the show, there's going to be an inverter for each powered wheel, so two in the front, one on the back if it's all-wheel drive. And you can kind of see the high voltage power lines powering the back wheel. So this is one inverter here, and then let's go back to the other view. So you can see inverter here, and how they're wired. And interestingly, it seems like, this may be outdated because this is actually showing the alpha version, but it actually shows the power going to the top instead of the bottom. And let me know if I'm not seeing that right, but so this must be like a control unit that controls everything that's in the hood. So if you look here on the left, you can kind of see how the power would flow. And it does seem like it's through the top. Very interesting. Because up till now, that has always been at the bottom. And you can kind of see the battery structure layout. That's not too new. This is showing the 1,000-mile range, obviously. Yeah, I will link to the original video. Take a look, let me know what else you see. And pretty cool stuff. It's nice to see a little more detail on this. Catch you next time.